In this video we will talk how to boost your immune system with turmeric golden honey. Have you ever heard about gold honey? The ingredients of this anti-inflammatory are organic honey and turmeric. The combination of honey with turmeric is a traditional recipe with anti-inflammatory properties that increases the immune responses of the body. Let's see what makes this natural combination so efficient. Benefits of honey. Bees' honey is rich in antioxidants, amino acids and essential vitamins. With regenerative properties, honey fights the harmful effects of free radicals on cells, strengthening tissues and increasing antibodies. Besides that, its anti-inflammatory effect is well known, making honey one of the most famous medicines to treat colds and flu, thanks to its expectoration powers. Please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends to help the channel. Benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is a well-known culinary spice, thanks to its orange color that helps improve the looks and taste of many dishes. The color of turmeric comes from a compound called curcumin, which acts as a powerful natural anti-inflammatory and analgesic. Just so you can have an idea of how powerful curcumin is, it regulates inflammatory imbalances in tissues, destroys harmful pathogens, and creates a protective layer against infections. This mixture can be used against common infections, like respiratory or urinary tract ones. Write down the ingredients: 3.5 ounces organic honey, 4 tablespoons, 0.05 Oz. Powdered turmeric, 1.5 tablespoons, 1 glass container with lid. Just mix the honey and turmeric in a glass container until smooth. Let the mixture act overnight to increase the concentration and efficiency of the golden honey. Just take a spoonful of golden honey every day, preferably while still fasting. If you want to, you can also dilute it and half a cup of warm water. In the case of infections, you can increase the consumption up to 3 times daily. You must avoid this natural anti-inflammatory if you suffer from gallbladder stones or liver diseases. Now that you know how to use turmeric and honey as a natural anti-inflammatory, use this recipe to improve your life quality and your family's health. Also check the description below to find more proven tips and remedies. Please give a like for this video and subscribe for a channel for more tips and product reviews.